Welcome to the Shopman App Guide. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to sell using the Shopman app. So as you can see on the screen, the app is the second icon. So I click on it to launch the app. So I'll start by clicking the new order icon, or I can go to the item menu as you can see on the screen. So now how do I make a new sale? I can either search for the item directly by typing the name of the item. For example, the person may be buying Hollandia. So I enter the name, then I tap to indicate the quantity I want to sell. So the more I type, the more I tap, the more it goes. Now if I want to reduce, I can reduce by pressing and holding. Then it keeps on reducing, as you can see in the screen here. What if you don't have this style? If you don't have this style, you go to this fifth icon, you click on it, and you can choose which style that you want. So if your screen, you don't have my style, this is the style that I'm using. That's the item styles. Tap to add style. Okay, so now I can add more items. For example, the person may be buying Storm. Okay, so I can choose the item, I tap and I add. If I'm done with the sale, I go to the counter. So counter, I see the items. You confirm whether these items are exactly what the customer wants to buy. If you want to add a new item, you can click on add new item. Assuming the person has decided to add a new item. Say, for example, he is buying wine. So which wine? I see all the wine. Then I choose maybe for special for the clients. So I have added a new item. Now, supposing the customer changes his mind, I don't want to buy this item, it's too expensive, so I want to remove it from the item list. All I do is I press and hold, then automatically the item is removed. Now, what if the quantity too is too much? Maybe he is buying only 2 and I've entered 6 of the Hollandia. I can press the item. I can either reduce by tapping the minus sign or tapping the plus sign to increase. I can also enter the item quantity directly in the enter box. Then I click on update to let the changes that I've made also take effect. In this same section too, you have option to remove the item directly from the system by clicking on the remove. You can also update the price or change the price if you wish to change the price. You can also apply a discount to the item, that particular item that you've chosen. Maybe I want to give this customer a 15% discount. So if I enter the 15% discount, the amount of the discount is seen on the right hand side. So the moment I update, the discount is applied on that specific product line. I can also, on the same light, I can also enter the amount of a discount I want to give directly in monetary value. For example, I want to give the customer only 1 Ghana cedi discount. I press the 1 Ghana cedi discount, then automatically the changes also take effect. There are additional more features that you can see. That is, you can add a tax. You can also add the discount on the wholesale that is being applied. You can even add charges. The adding of charges gives you opportunity to possibly say you are adding the packaging charge or courier charge or delivery charge. So these are some of the features that are available on the sales counter. You can even clear the whole sales counter directly where everything that you want to sell will go off. Okay. Now, if I want to proceed on in closing the sale, I click on charge. So in charge here, you enter the customer number. So you don't begin with 0 because you have the country code +233. So you enter 244303530. Then you enter the customer name. Maybe the customer name is Koyao. This number is a Shopman Help Center number. So you can save it for future reference. Now you choose how is the customer paying. Is he paying cash or a debit card or credit card, or you are giving the customer credit or he's paying through Momo. If it is cash, all you need to do is select the cash as a payment option. Now, how much did the customer paid you? Maybe he gave in terms of physical cash. Maybe he gave you 100 Ghana cedi. So you enter the 100 Ghana cedi. Then the change you give to the customer, which is 4 cedis, is clearly indicated in the green below. Then you receive the payment by cash by clicking on the green button below. Now the sale is completed. This time, if you are connected to a printer, it prints out automatically from the printer. If it is not printing automatically, that means there's a certain challenge. So you go to the printer section in the app to do the configuration there. Suppose you want to send the receipt to the customer via WhatsApp. It's possible in the app. You see view or send receipts. You click on it, then you see the second icon, send using WhatsApp. So you click on send, then automatically it opens the customer's WhatsApp page, and all you do is to send the receipt to the customer using the WhatsApp app. Alternatively too, you can send a PDF. In this case, when you click on send the WhatsApp, you see the PDF option, send PDF. You select it, you click on send, then the PDF version of the receipt is automatically generated. Then you send the receipt to the customer. So this is how we sell using the Shopman app. We encourage you to use it to sell. If you are not already subscribed to the Shopman app, we encourage you, please call our hotline 0244 303530 and get subscribed to the Shopman app. With